Hello, welcome to Comp 252, Professional and Technical Writing, the summer course. My name is Melinda Bezdek, and I will be your instructor. I want to start off just by giving you a quick tour so that you can find everything and that you don't get lost in our Canvas page, because we will be relying heavily on Canvas for this course. So this is our homepage. We have our to-do list on the right as always. Our modules are right here. There are four main sections in this course. There's the professional communication section. That's letters, emails, memos, and those sorts of things. We have a job search section. Then we have a research section, which will include an annotated bibliography, a literature review, and then your analytical report. And then a presentation and collaborative project at the end, which should be pretty fun. My contact information is right here. The best way to get a hold of me is through email. I will be traveling through part of this course, and so it is important that that you email me more so. I will get messages on the phone. They get to me through email, but I won't always be in my office. So keep that in mind as you're trying to contact me. Let's look at the syllabus real quick. There's a couple things I want to point out here. Basically, our required text, Technical Communications, 14th edition, by Lannon and Gurek. There's the ISBN there. You can borrow this from the library. If you're in Durango and you don't want to buy it, they have it on reserve there, so you can borrow it. The next thing that I want to show you is there's the grading policies and how those points break down. The withdrawal date for the course, if something happens and you can't pull this off, May 15th is your date. You can get a course withdrawal before or on May 15th. The other important thing that I want to point out, this course is going to move fast. We have 6 weeks to get through the content that normally takes 16 weeks. So we're going to be running, there's going to be stuff due every day. It's essential that you keep up, and therefore I will not accept any late work. So any small assignment, you cannot turn in late. It will just be we're just going to let it go. For big assignments, you get one exception. So make sure you use that wisely. If you do have to use your exception, notify me within a day. And tell me what's going on. And then propose your new due date. When do you expect to get this in? The other thing to consider for this course is, you should expect to spend 24 hours a week working on this course, and you're going to need that time. We have a lot to get through and a lot to do. I keep saying that, but it's true. So keep that in mind as you're planning, your summer. So the next thing I want to look at here is our modules. This is where you're going to spend most of your time. You can see the complete all items. I've got a couple check marks here. That means that you have to go through and you have to click on all of these in order to make them work. You'll notice that these are dim, and that's because that I haven't clicked on that yet. So the one thing I really want to show you here, you should be going through all of this. In fact, you probably have gone through some of it because we're already in the Canvas tour. I want to show you in our introduction video. I am asking that each of you submit your own video, and I want to show you, I made a little video to start us out. So I want to show you how to upload a video. There are instructions up here. But this will work too. So I'm going to go and pull something. I used Screencast-O-Matic to create a video introduction of myself. And so now I'm just going to search for it. If you noticed, I clicked on the little YouTube icon there in that thing. And I'll say, welcome. Oh, there's my video. And I'll search for it. It lies to you at first. And there I am looking weird. So we will put that in there. And now we have the video. And I am looking a little weird there. So I will post the reply. And there I am. It's me as a test student, but it's really me because I am in student mode. So then you can reply to this yourself. And all of those little icons, you hit reply and you can see all of this stuff. So that is pretty easy. We'll look back in the modules again as soon as it moves. The other thing I want to show you, at the beginning of each of these modules, I've given you a suggested course schedule. And that's because, again, like I said, we are going to be moving quick. So you have the suggested module schedule, and you can see already on Monday, April 30th, there are 4 things you should be working on Monday. Tuesday, there are also 4 things to work on, and that just kind of walks you through the steps of each week. And you can see the objectives, the topics we'll cover, and then the main module pages that we will look at. And then you can click to next, and we have our first real assignment, the overview for the statement of purpose. And this is also a discussion. So that is a basic idea. I'm just going to click to grades as well real quick before I let you all go. Keep in mind, this is your class. This is your education. You get as much into it as you get out of it, and so you should keep track of your grades and know where you stand, because you can always check these. The other thing to consider is that in People, you can have access to our entire class plus the groups. We are going to be working in groups for a lot of this. So you're going to have a job search packet group. You're going to have a research group. So this is how you find them here. And then there's one other thing. I'm going to jump out of student mode real quick. Oops, not like that though. So that I can show you how to discuss with people. So you'll see right here with this little 34, I have a lot of emails to look at. But if you want to talk to anyone in the course, you can contact everybody just by going to here. You'll select our course, which is this one, summer, and then you'll notice that all the students are in here. So you can find the people that you need to email. And that's the best way to get a hold of anybody. But do make sure, as I said, that you are checking your email regularly. So that's it for this little tour of Canvas, and I look forward to working with each of you.